Let's discuss key challenges in supply chain and manufacturing industry, and their potential resolutions. 1. Inadequate demand forecasting and planning. Accurate demand forecasting and planning is crucial for manufacturing companies to reduce inventory holding costs and improve customer satisfaction. Business operations activities involved in demand forecasting and planning include analyzing historical sales data, market trends, and customer preferences. The key persona involved is the supply chain planner. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing demand forecasting and planning software and integrating it with the ERP system. 2. Capacity constrained and bottleneck. Capacity constrained and bottleneck issues can be resolved by implementing Lean Six Sigma methodologies to increase efficiency and streamline processes. Business operations activities involved in implementing Lean Six Sigma methodologies include process mapping, data analysis, and process improvement. The key persona involved is the process improvement manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing process improvement software and integrating it with the ERP system. 3. Long lead times for suppliers. Manufacturing companies can resolve long lead time issues by establishing strong partnerships with suppliers, reducing the time between order and delivery, and improving supplier management processes. Business operations activities involved in managing suppliers include selecting the right suppliers, negotiating contracts, and monitoring supplier performance. The key persona involved is the supplier relationship manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing supplier management software and integrating it with the ERP system. 4. Stockouts and overstocking. Inventory optimization and forecasting can help to reduce stockouts and overstocking. Business operations activities involved in inventory optimization and forecasting include analyzing sales data, forecasting demand, and setting safety stock levels. The key persona involved is the inventory planner. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing inventory optimization and forecasting software and integrating it with the ERP system. 5. Transportation and logistics problems. Optimizing transportation routes and improving supply chain visibility can help to resolve transportation and logistics problems. Business operations activities involved in transportation and logistics include route planning, carrier selection, and shipment tracking. The key persona involved is the logistics manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing transportation management software and integrating it with the ERP system. 6. Complex product configurations. Implementing a product life cycle management, that is, PLM, system can help manage complex product configurations and improve product development processes. Business operations activities involved in PLM implementation include product design, engineering change management, and product data management. The key persona involved is the product development manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing PLM software and integrating it with the ERP system. 7. Lack of visibility and collaboration between suppliers and customers. This issue can be resolved by implementing supply chain management software and establishing stronger partnerships with suppliers and customers. Business operations activities involved in supply chain management include supplier relationship management, customer relationship management, and supply chain visibility. The key persona involved is the supply chain manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing supply chain management software and integrating it with the ERP system. 8. supplier, and production capacity constraint. Improving supplier management processes and monitoring supplier performance can help to resolve capacity-constrained issues. Business operations activities involved in supplier management include supplier selection, supplier performance evaluation, and supplier risk management. The key persona involved is the supplier relationship manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing supplier management software and integrating it with the ERP system. 9. High cost of goods sold, that is, COGS. Cost reduction strategies, such as supplier negotiations and implementing Lean Six Sigma methodologies, can help to reduce COGS. Business operations activities involved in cost reduction include value stream mapping, process improvement, and supplier negotiations. The key persona involved is the cost reduction manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing cost reduction software and integrating it with the ERP system. Quality issues with suppliers. Supplier quality management programs, such as supplier performance evaluations and audits, can help to identify and resolve quality issues with suppliers. Business operations activities involved in supplier quality management include supplier performance evaluation, supplier audits, and supplier corrective action. The key persona involved is the supplier quality manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing supplier quality management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Political and economic instability. Developing contingency plans and diversifying suppliers can help to mitigate the impact of political and economic instability. Business operations activities involved in developing contingency plans include risk assessment, scenario planning, and crisis management. The key persona involved is the risk management manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing risk management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Complex supply chain processes. Implementing supply chain management software and process standardization can help simplify complex supply chain processes. Business operations activities involved in supply chain management include process mapping, process improvement, and supply chain visibility. The key persona involved is the supply chain manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing supply chain management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Lack of supplier diversity. Diversifying suppliers and establishing strong partnerships with suppliers can help to reduce the risk of supply chain disruptions. Business operations activities involved in supplier diversity include supplier selection, supplier relationship management, and supplier risk management. The key persona involved is the supplier relationship manager. The related IT software customizations details include implementing supplier management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Inefficient inventory management. Implementing inventory optimization and forecasting can help to improve inventory management and reduce holding costs. Business operations activities involved in inventory management include inventory planning, inventory tracking, and inventory optimization. The key persona involved is the inventory planner. The related IT software customizations details include implementing inventory management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Poor supplier performance. Improving supplier management processes and monitoring supplier performance can help to resolve poor supplier performance issues. Business operations activities involved in supplier management include supplier performance evaluation, supplier risk management, and supplier corrective action. The key persona involved is the supplier relationship manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing supplier management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Difficulties in managing returns. Implementing a comprehensive returns management program can help to manage returns more effectively. Business operations activities involved in returns management include product returns processing, return material authorization, and return product disposition. The key persona involved is the returns management specialist. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing returns management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Integration challenges with enterprise resource planning, that is, ERP systems. Implementing ERP systems that are specifically designed for manufacturing industries can help to resolve integration challenges. Business operations activities involved in ERP implementation include system analysis, system design, and system testing. The key persona involved is the ERP implementation manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing ERP software and integrating it with the supply chain management software. Lack of data accuracy. Implementing data management processes and improving data accuracy can help to reduce supply chain disruptions. Business operations activities involved in data management include data analysis, data cleansing, and data governance. The key persona involved is the data management specialist. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing data management software and integrating it with the ERP system. Low supply chain agility. Improving supply chain visibility and implementing supply chain management software can help to improve supply chain agility. Business operations activities involved in supply chain agility improvement include supply chain mapping, supply chain optimization, and supply chain flexibility planning. The key persona involved is the supply chain manager. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing supply chain management software and integrating it with the ERP system. High inventory carrying costs. Implementing inventory optimization and forecasting can help to reduce inventory carrying costs. Business operations activities involved in inventory optimization include inventory planning, inventory tracking, and inventory optimization. The key persona involved is the inventory planner. The related IT software customizations. Details include implementing inventory management software and integrating it with the ERP system. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs